There go the sirens. Let's see when the required weekly test goes off.
162.550 megahertz. Serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota. And transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of
Okay, come on, issue it.
Minnesota and west central.
There we go.
Central Wisconsin during dangerous weather situations. Radios are automatically activated to warn you of the hazards of these radios by the National Weather Service every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Sky warns spotter activation. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. This afternoon.
The sirens are still going off. Well, it looks like everything activated. Looks like this one didn't activate. And it looks like my new first alert didn't activate. So yeah.